Hello and welcome to our SPOC, or Scrum Product Owner Certified course. In this video, we'll have a look at the risk burndown graphics and risk-adjusted backlog. An important tool which can be used for communicating information related to risks is the Risk Burndown Chart. Risk Burndown Chart. Expected Monetary Value, EMV, is one of the preferred tools to be used for assessing risks. The information gathered during risk assessment using EMV may be used to create a risk burndown chart. A risk burndown chart depicts severity of the cumulative project risks over a particular duration of time that is acceptable. The probability of the various risks is plotted on top of each other to show the cumulative risk on the y-axis. The identification and evaluation of risks on the project and the creation of the risk burndown chart are done in the initiate phase. Then, at predetermined time intervals, new risks may be identified and assessed, and the existing risks should be reevaluated and updated accordingly on the chart. An appropriate time to do this is during the sprint planning meeting. Tracking risks in this manner allows the team to recognize trends in risk exposure and take appropriate action as necessary. That brings us to the end of this module. Thank you for learning with us.